Hi, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share homemade, easy to follow Chinese recipes every week. Today, we're going to make Chinese chili oil, which adds the perfect spicy flavor to almost everything. It serves as a wonderful dipping sauce for dumplings, rolls, and pizza. It is super easy to make at home and can stay fresh for a long time. We need 4 tablespoons of red chili powder, which enhances the color of the oil. A handful of dried red chili pepper and chop to flakes. The seeds in the chili peppers add the crisp and additional flavor to the oil. One teaspoon of 5 spice, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of scallion rinds, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a heated pan, 1 cup of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns. Keep it on high heat until the peppercorns turn dark. The peppercorns not only add flavor, but they also serve as the perfect thermometer for me in this recipe. Turn off the heat, take out the peppercorns, and let the oil cool down for about a minute. Pour the hot oil on the ingredients. Two tablespoons of dark rice vinegar. Mix. Drizzle some sesame oil for the final touch. Right now, the room is full of chili oil scent. Put it into your favorite jar. It can last for months without preserves. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for your support. See you next time.